practical part is even like mind-blowing. I love it. Level 7, comprehensive package. It's like how you build up confidence by practicing more and more, which you provided for us. You know, this is very important, because if I feel like, yes, I can do it. But when you start doing it, you'll know your mistakes and you'll learn from them. So it's like building up confidence, and I love it, because every patient is teaching us. Now, on day 5, I know what to do. Now the instructor, he's just looking at us. He's not doing anything, he's not saying anything. We're approaching like it's our clinic. And this is fairly, like, it's satisfying, and also like, now I know I can do it alone.